Can time stop? Can we travel into the future? Why is it impossible to go faster than light? Today, on CN Today, we are going to reveal a truth that changes everything: science, time, and space itself. Can anything move faster than light? And if not, what is the wall that is stopping us? We have now reached the place where the deepest secrets of the universe begin to unfold. Today on CN Today, we are revealing why the speed of light is not just a number, but a true limit of space and time. When we think about light, we usually imagine a bulb, the sun, or a torch. But for science, light is not just brightness. Light is information. Everything we see reaches us through light, which means the speed of light determines how quickly anything in the universe can affect anything else. Scientists have measured the speed of light as 299,790,458 meters per second, so fast that light can travel around the Earth nearly 7 times in just 1 second. And sunlight takes only 8 minutes to reach us, meaning when you look at the sun, you are actually seeing it as it was 8 minutes ago. But the real question is why light is this fast and why nothing can go faster. Before Einstein, people believed that if you throw a ball forward from a moving train, the ball becomes faster. So if you move with light, light should become faster too. But when scientists measured it, they found something astonishing. Whether you are standing still, riding a train, or traveling in a rocket, light always moves at the same speed. Never faster, never slower. This means the universe does not allow the speed of light to change for any observer, no matter how fast they are moving. Einstein realized that if speed is not changing, then something else must be changing, and that something is space and time. When you move very fast, time slows down for you. This is not science fiction. It happens every day with GPS satellites whose clocks run differently because they are moving so quickly, and not only time changes, even distance shrinks. So when you travel at high speed, the space in front of you becomes slightly shorter, and the universe adjusts itself so that the speed of light always remains the same. But this leads to a powerful wall, because as anything with mass moves faster and faster, its resistance to acceleration increases, making it harder and harder to speed it up. And as it approaches the speed of light, this resistance grows without limit, meaning it would require infinite energy to go any faster, which is impossible. Light can move at this ultimate speed only because photons have no mass at all, so they have no resistance and naturally travel at the speed of light, which is why the speed of light is not a traffic rule but a fundamental feature of the universe itself. The structure of space and time is built in such a way that nothing can ever go beyond it, and that is why the speed of light defines how fast the universe itself can move and why nothing can ever go faster. This is the space-time wall. We are now taking you to a truth where modern physics truly began, the story of Newton and the moon. We all know that when you let something go, it falls downward. A phone falls, a stone falls, water falls, even a person falls. This is not a theory, it is everyday life. Yet CN Today is asking a deeper question. Why do things always fall down? Why not up? And why not sideways? The answer is gravity. Earth pulls everything toward itself like an invisible hand, constantly drawing all objects downward. Whether it is a small ball or a heavy car, gravity acts on everything. Scientists began to measure this force, and Galileo Galilei discovered that as an object falls, it keeps speeding up every second, falling about 16 feet in the first second, then faster and faster after that, because gravity causes constant acceleration. Now this is where the story takes a surprising turn, because when you look at the moon in the sky, you see it hanging there night after night as it circles the Earth. And the question arises, if gravity pulls everything downward, why does the moon not fall to Earth? The remarkable truth is that the moon is actually falling toward Earth, just like a ball or a dropped object, but it is moving sideways so fast that it keeps missing the Earth. If you drop a ball, it falls straight down, but if you throw it forward, it moves ahead as it falls. And if you could throw it fast enough that the curved Earth falls away beneath it, the ball would keep missing the ground and go into orbit. This is exactly what the moon is doing, constantly falling while racing forward so that Earth curves away beneath it. Isaac Newton understood this and realized that the moon is not special. It falls just like anything else, only much faster sideways. And from this insight, he developed his great law of gravity. Newton also wondered whether gravity becomes weaker with distance, since gravity is strong on Earth, but the moon is very far away. And instead of guessing, he used mathematics and discovered that gravity decreases with the square of the distance, meaning if something is twice as far away, gravity becomes 4 times weaker. And if it is 3 times farther, gravity becomes 9 times weaker. This is called the inverse square law. The Earth's radius is about 4,000 miles, while the Moon is about 240,000 miles away, making it roughly 60 times farther from Earth's center. So according to Newton's law, gravity at the Moon should be 60 squared or 30,600 times weaker. On Earth, objects fall about 16 feet in 1 second, so at the Moon's distance, they should fall only 1/20th of an inch per second squared. And when Newton compared this prediction with the Moon's actual orbit, it matched perfectly. This was not just a theory. It was the universe confirming his law, as if nature itself were saying, "Yes, Newton, you have found gravity." This means the Moon is not magically suspended in the sky. It circles the Earth because gravity pulls it inward while its sideways motion keeps it from crashing down. And that is what an orbit truly is, constantly falling but always missing. We are now taking you to a discovery that first showed to humanity that light does not travel instantly. And this story begins with the moons of Jupiter. Jupiter is not just a planet. It is like a small solar system of its own, surrounded by large moons such as Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, all moving around it with clock-like precision, each orbit happening in a fixed and predictable time. But when scientists carefully observed these moons, they noticed something shocking. Sometimes a moon appeared 8 minutes earlier than expected, and sometimes the same moon appeared 8 minutes late, and this was not random at all. When Jupiter was closer to Earth, the moons appeared early, and when Jupiter was farther away, the moons appeared late, as if some invisible delay were affecting what we saw. Danish astronomer Ole Romer realized the truth and said that the moons were not wrong. Their light simply took time to reach Earth, proving that light is not instantaneous. When Jupiter is farther away, its light must travel a longer distance, so the moons appear late, and when Jupiter is closer, the light arrives sooner, so the moons appear early. This was the first time humanity indirectly measured the speed of light, and the universe revealed a profound truth. Even light must travel. After this discovery, physics was never the same, because the meaning of time and space changed forever, and we understood that nothing in the universe happens instantly. The moons of Jupiter gave humanity this powerful truth, that light itself must journey through space, and that journey became the foundation of modern space-time physics. This was CN2 Day, bringing you the deepest truths of the universe. And if you found this report interesting, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more science stories.